If you're looking for a dishwasher cleaner, I would recommend this brand. It comes with a 1-year supply, so you get 24 tablets. So all you do is add a tablet to the dispenser tray for your detergent and then run it on a normal cycle that's compatible with all dishwashers. They're easy to use. You can just take it out of this packaging and then you can pop it into your dishwasher. If you need to clean your dishwasher a little bit more, you put one in the dispenser tray and then you just put one in the middle of your dishwasher on normal wash. Refreshes and protects your dishwasher. This is just a really great product, and this is my honest review.